I can't wait. It's gonna be a good day indeed. Welcome home, my sweet, precious angel. Our daughter's coming home, baby. Beautiful as you. I know you can't wait to see her back with me. I hope I'm making you proud. I hope I'm making you proud, baby. Mrs. Veronica.
Good morning, sir.
What sort of cook are you? I saw the excellent job you did in my daughter's bedroom. I should reward you for that.
Oh, I'm so delighted that you like it.
Yes, good.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Anyway, off to get my daughter now.
Oh, okay, sir.
You didn't tell me how I look. Do I look bad?
Oh, Lord have mercy. Please forgive me, sir.
Yes.
You know, you're always looking dashing and intelligent. Handsome, sir.
Okay.
And your outfit today is second to none.
Thank you.
Talking about your cologne. It's out of this world. You see, sir, you're not just handsome this morning. You are breathtaking.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mrs. Veronica. I'll see you when I get back.
All right, sir.
Okay.
Take care, sir. My boss always wants praise from me. Perfect man. Perfect man. Yeah. No, his daughter is coming from youth service today. Yes. You need to see the look on his face. He's so proud of her, anyway, who wouldn't be? Yeah, this is the first time I'm going to see her physically. Yeah. Of course, I've seen her pictures countless of times. But the first time now. If he liked the decoration, of course he did. Thank you so much, my daughter, for showing me how to do it. I owe you one.
Mommy! Oh, Mommy, see, all I want is your salary. That is it. That's all I want. Mommy, no, nah. Mommy, you know I need money. More money. My African queen. My superwoman. The most amazing woman in this life. See, Mommy, after you, it is you. Okay, fine. Half. Half would do. Half is okay. Thank you. Thank you. Mommy, I have to go. I have to go before that my boss will indict me for coming late. You know that man, very rigid and grumpy. I love you. Take care of yourself. Don't look for trouble, oh. Don't look for trouble, yeah? Bye-bye. Bye!
Oh my goodness.
Daddy's baby is back home.
Daddy.
My princess, my angel.
My goodness, Daddy, I missed you so much. So much. Like, I'm so happy. Look at you. Who has been taking care of you? Tell me.
But you.
Tell me.
But
Tell me. Just whisper to me. Tell me.
My gossip buddy is back. My angel is back.
Oh, Daddy.
My little darling baby girl is back.
Oh my goodness, we have to go live on TikTok right now. Come on, Dad.
I don't even do TikTok. I don't even know what that is.
You, sweet 16.
Feels good to be back home.
Yes. Absolutely, I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
Daddy, I have a whole lot to gist you.
No,
A
so,
lot.
no sleep tonight.
No sleep tonight. We're gonna drink and we're gonna gist.
Go on.
Oh my goodness.
Welcome
Daddy.
home. Welcome home, my angel.
Daddy. This is beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my princess. And also, thank you, Miss Veronica. She did an amazing job.
Congratulations to my beautiful daughter.
Yeah.
Am I?
Yes, you are. Oh, my darling.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your undivided love, for setting up all this for me. This is really heartwarming. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you, Miss Veronica.
You're welcome.
Please, don't call me Ma. I'm your daughter. You can call me Chida. Please.
I have something. One more thing.
One more thing.
Okay.
Okay.
One more thing. Here we go. For you.
Oh,
A car?
It's parked outside.
Packed inside.
oh,
Oh my
the
goodness.
love of
No way.
Father
Yes, sir.
It's
can be
mine.
measured by
I'm a
words,
car
can't
owner.
be
Oh, yours.
measured by
Oh my
days.
god! Where is it?
Love
Oh my
of
goodness!
father and
I own a car!
can be explained, can't be explained.
She's so
Oh,
Yes,
just like her mother. And she's very proud of you.
I'm proud of her too. Thank you, Miss Veronica. Thank you so much.
No, let me do
All right.
be with you in your good times, wanna be with you in your bad times. That is Father's love.
Oh my goodness!
No matter what you
This
do,
is amazing!
remember
I have
that
a car!
Daddy loves
This is my
you.
car!
Daddy loves you
So
forever. No matter where you
Come
go.
here, Daddy.
Daddy
You are
loves
the
you.
best. I love
Daddy
you.
loves you.
Oh,
Loves you.
I have a
He
car.
will give his life for you and not think about it. That's what fathers do. That's what fathers do. He wants to be happy like
You like
he
it?
wants you to be
You love it?
Of course, I
happy.
love it.
Because you were
Thank you.
special to him. Oh yeah.
So,
He will hold
at
your
this point,
hands as a toddler. Wanna hold
Feel free,
your
it's your
hands
car.
on your
Hit
way.
the road
Take it for a
running.
spin.
That's the front.
Take it for a spin. But be careful, please. Okay, it's not registered, so
He'll be with you in your good
I'm so
times.
happy.
Wanna be with you in your bad times. That is father's love. No matter what you do, remember that Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you forever. No matter where you go, remember that Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you, loves you. He loves you, 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 he loves you. Yeah. Family loves you, he loves you. You love him too, he loves you. Be a family, family forever.
Hey,
Tom.
how are you? I'm alright. I'm good.
I can see you're having a bad day already.
Not exactly. My car was overheating, so I just called the mechanic.
Oh, I see.
Meanwhile, nice car,
Right.
and it looks good on you.
Well, my man got it for me.
Oh, you must really be proud of your man.
Yeah, sure. I'm proud of my dad.
Your dad.
Yeah,
Nice one. Drive carefully, you're a lady.
of course.
You know that.
Alpha women stick.
I can see. Alright, take care.
Okay, see you around town.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Take care of yourself. Drive safely.
Nice car, madam.
All right.
Ah.
I know. That's my baby.
Wow.
So you're going to take over the company on Monday. We spoke about this.
Oh, yeah. But I need time. Please. I need time.
It's fine. You can take all the time you want. When you're ready.
Okay. Perfect. This is really delicious.
I'm glad you like the food, ma. Thank you, ma.
Okay, please. So my name is Chidalo. Miss Chidalo. Okay?
Thank you, Miss Chida.
You're welcome. My father told me a whole lot of good things about you, and I must say I am quite impressed. You are a true definition of an ideal woman.
Thank you, Miss Chida. Excuse me.
Yeah, it's okay. This is really nice.
What's on your mind?
Honestly.
What about it? Are you just drinking?
Oh, yes,
This soldier just came on that.
Are you serious? Solitude.
He was the one. You see how we used to manage. You're not serious. Hi! You are a bad man. Oh!
The love of a father can be measured by words, can't be measured by hands. The love of father and daughter can be explained, can't be explained. Oh, he will hold your hands as a toddler, wanna hold your hand on your wedding day. That is father's love. Oh, he will be with you in your good times, wanna be with you in your bad times. That is father's love. No matter what you do, remember that Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you forever. No matter where you go, remember that Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you, loves you. Oh, he will give his life for you and not think about it. That's what fathers do. That's what fathers do. He wants to be happy like he wants you to be happy. Because you were special to him, oh yeah. He will hold your hands as a toddler, wanna hold your hand on your wedding day. That is father's love. That is father's love. He will be with you in your good times, wanna be with you in your bad times. That is father's love. No matter what you do, remember that Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you forever. No matter where you go, remember that Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you, loves you. He loves you, 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 yeah. Family loves you, he loves you. You love him too, he loves you. Be a family, he loves family you. Forever, family forever.
Card.
What? Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lie.
I'm gonna win.
You have to go to the market. You don't have the right card.
You're meant to play. Okay, play.
I don't. I mean, I've gone to the market, but you need to go to the market because you don't have the right card.
So we know the words.
What?
You're saying I should win.
What?
Beg me. You need to beg me at this point.
I'm not begging you.
Beg me.
$5,000.
Sir, food is ready.
Oh, Mrs. Veronica. Alright, you're lucky. That's a lie. What did you just do? What did you just do? You stole a card.
No, I
That's a lie.
won.
That's a
What?
lie.
You saw me? Did I cheat?
Cheated.
She saw. Were you not looking?
Mrs.
I
you cheated.
did nothing.
She distracted me and you cheated.
No.
That's serious.
Daddy.
What? No, it's fine. We're coming, okay? Listen, I've been playing this game before you.
I
I've been
won.
playing this game before you.
And that's on period.
No.
I won.
Let me get
I
my
won.
pizza.
I won. I won.
Get my strength up. Ah, thank you.
Okay.
Come on, eat it.
I'm coming right away. I actually cheated. But it was needed, you know. I'm coming.
Really? Amazing stuff. That means they must be best friends. Wow, that's interesting.
My boss dotes on his daughter like See, I really admire their relationship. Oh. Seriously. You know, nobody can come in between those two. Yeah, so. My dear, I think I heard a little of what happened though. It's like, I feel for the guy. I feel for my boss, honestly. You know, I think she died, you know, of kidney failure. Yes, I remember something like kidney failure. Can you imagine? After he even donated his own, she still didn't make it in the hospital.
Are you serious? Oh, yeah. That's a pity. I feel for him more.
Yeah. I feel for the guy. He has refused to marry after 5 years. You know, I feel sorry for him, honestly. My boss? You won't believe it. Him and Chidalu, they've gone clubbing. It's not. No, Chidalu told me that that's what they do every Friday. Can you imagine? God.
My day is well, Mom. How about yours?
No. I'm tired though. Seriously, I'm tired. Let me to sleep. Yeah. Talk later, beg. Alright, dear. Yeah, bye.
I hope you're having a good time, huh?
Give it to me.
Welcome back.
Give it to you.
I'm using the restroom, I'll be back.
Hey.
Hey, you.
Yes, me.
I know you.
Of course you do. How are you? And who was the man that just left?
Oh, the man. That's my dad.
Oh, your father.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing with your father in the club? You come to the club with your father?
Yes. My dad is a Gen Z dad.
Oh, I can see that. I can see that. Alright,
What about your car?
I fixed it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's okay now. I'm over to the side with my friend, so I just came to say hi.
Okay.
See you around.
See you around.
Take care.
Okay. Bye.
I saw somebody. Who was that young man?
Young man.
Somebody came to.
Just a friend.
Just a friend. Are you serious? You don't. Because I saw a little chemistry going on.
What chemistry? Physics.
I'm fine.
Are you go straight to the bed?
I am fine. I am not a baby.
It's okay. Just relax. You had a lot.
Imagine, I'm fine.
I know you had a lot to do.
Oh my goodness, you're treating me like I'm a child.
You
I'm
are
not
a
a baby.
It's okay. You had a lot to do. Well, it's fine. It's fine. I got it. No.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Listen.
Oh.
My dad is not an introvert.
Okay.
My dad is a very fun person, and he teaches me a lot about men. As our only daughter, I need to know a whole lot about men.
Okay, so what have you been learning about men?
A father should provide anything a daughter needs that men think they can use to lure her into sleeping with her, you know.
Aha, strike it. So he taught you that too?
My father taught me a whole lot. My father is just too sweet, too kind, too loving. My father is everything. He's a full package, everything all in one. Honestly, I really don't think anything can come between us.
Yeah, I can see that. I can see that. You speak a lot about your father. What about your mother?
My mom died when I was 8.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
It's nothing. It's something, but it's in the past now, you know.
Okay, I see.
So, I want to invite you for my father's birthday.
Okay.
It will be happening in 2 days' time.
Alright.
It's just a family get-together, a very small setup, not a crazy one. But I want you to come.
I'll come. I promise. I'll be there. I will definitely be there.
Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing you.
Sure, I'll come. I'll come. Nice having you around.
I want ice cream.
Omo, guy, that babe hot, that babe too set. Guy! Omo, wait. Don't tell me. That girl we'll see for club, abi? Now she be that?
Yeah, with her father.
I talk her.
With her papa.
What? Her father.
Yes, you heard me loud and clear.
I don't understand. Her father how? What father takes his daughter to the club? How? No, wait. I don't understand. That sounds crazy and mad.
Guys, not. Unlike our own fathers, we do take life seriously. Now you don't see another man where they take his daughter out to have fun. It's sounding strange to you. I mean,
Hey,
guy, I just said.
Wait. How far now? You don't?
Based on what?
But you did your guy. You understand now? Until you don't
Guy, if woman no kill you, nothing will kill you for this life again. Nothing.
I'm gonna leave that thing. But you know, say naturally talk. If you get feelings for that girl, I got feelings. Why you dey hide them, guy?
I don't blame me now. I blame you. Knock my door when you come out.
I beg.
I don't go inside.
I beg, leave, dude.
Knock my
You
door.
know that they serious.
I don't know what you talk about.
I beg, forget that thing. I beg, I help myself with him. I beg. Oh boy. What I guess, Sesha. Man, I found it. I get it.
You're welcome. Thank you. How is the father? Sit. So, I'm alright. I'm good. So, what can I offer you? Spirit, vodka?
I'm okay. What's up? Hey.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Forgive me, I'm sorry.
It's okay. You said you wanted to see me.
Yes. Yes, I said that. Chidalu, I don't know how this may sound. I don't know how you take this, but I think I like you. Yes, I think I like you. I think about you all through the night, and the thought of you keeps reoccurring in my head. I love you. I really do love you.
Okay. I mean, this is our third time seeing. And you're already loving me.
I know. Dalu, I know. But deep down, I know what I feel. Alright? I have this butterfly in my stomach every time I think about you. And that is the feeling of love. Look, Dalu, I just want to love you. I just want to care for you. I just want to be there for you. Trust me.
Well, my daddy loves me. He cares for me so much. Okay? Okay, please don't get me wrong. I understand what you mean. Okay? But I mean, you have a girlfriend. Yeah?
We broke up 3 months ago.
Oh, really? So who cut the shirt?
I did. She was being ridiculous and
what?
She had a one-night stand with my friend.
Damn. That's messy. Really? Oh, damn.
Dalu, please, can we be more than friends now, please? Please.
Okay, you have to take things easy and slow.
I know, but Dalu, I love you. I love you, please.
I know. It's a baby step, okay? Easy.
All right.
You love him?
What?
The young man at the club. Stranger without a name. Do you love him?
Okay, Daddy. Are we really gonna talk about this right now? Table manners, we're eating.
Okay. Since you don't want to talk about it, you're trying to wriggle out of it. Remember what they say, first to do, no be pain. Abi? That's how I say it. Okay.
Okay, fine. I give up. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I would say that I like him, sort of. But, love. I don't think love is coming up anytime soon, honestly.
Okay. I mean, I like the young man. I just think that maybe I should take it easy and take it slow. All right? Just step by step.
Okay. At this point, this conversation is really getting boring. Can we talk about something else? Yes! Your birthday! Your birthday is coming up in 2 days' time.
I know.
Yeah, we have a party.
Smart girl, trying to wriggle out of the conversation. It's fine. I know your tactics. It's okay.
Birthday boy! Yay!
Smart girl.
Oh,
I think you love the guy, or you like him, but you just don't want to talk about it. That's what I think anyway.
What kind of a dad is this? Good.
A dad who knows every trick you have up his sleeves. Remember, I was once young, so I mean, I'm still young, but I was once your age, so I know everything that you do. But it's okay. It's okay.
You're just too smart.
Of course I am. Where do you think you got your own smartness from?
Okay, I know.
Let me sit down now. No, okay, you sit down. Sir. Sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good. Is this your daughter?
Yes, sir. Yes. She'll be helping me in the kitchen since we're having the full house tomorrow.
I didn't say we're having a full house. I said I'm having a few friends over. I'm not going to celebrate or celebrate my birthday. It's just a few friends. But thank you anyway. So what's your name? She's the one that I heard you speaking to on the phone, Judith?
Yes, sir. She's the one.
Yes, sir. My name is Judy. Okay. Just want to wish you a happy birthday in advance. May God grant all your wishes and bless you with your heart desires.
Amen.
It's a gift for me. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Daddy, did you see my Victoria?
Yes. No, I didn't.
Oh my God. Judith! No way!
Oh, no way! Chidalu Mabel Okoye, my court representative.
Wow.
Oh, Judith. I mean, look at you. You look so big now.
Right?
What have you been eating?
Ask my dad. When have I been eating?
Yes.
No, you know each other.
Yeah. She was my classmate back then in school.
Oh.
What are you doing in my house?
Wow. This is unbelievable.
It's good to see you.
Good to see you too. Come here. Hi, Miss
Veronica. How is it going?
Fine. I've been meaning to say this to you. Judith said you two were classmates
Oh, yeah.
back in the days. But, I don't know if you heard what happened. She had to leave the school because it's unfortunate when the father died of, during the plane crash. I couldn't afford it anymore. The family took over everything. So I just had to pull her out of the school, and I put her in the Polytechnic. So that's what happened.
I'm so sorry about such news.
It's okay.
I'm really sorry.
And she told me something that you guys had a clash over a friend of yours.
Yeah. It's nothing. Well, I'm really sorry about the news, honestly. For Chidalu, I have always known that she is very unrelented, very pushful. I know she'll pull through.
Yeah, she did. Thank God for that.
So, where is she? Because I went to her room, but she's not there.
Oh, I sent her on an errand. I told her to go get some things that I'll need to cook this afternoon.
Okay, please. Tell her to see me when she's back because we have a lot to talk about. She actually stole my boyfriend in school. Like, I'm gonna kill her. So tell her to see me right away.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, now. Yeah.
Take care. Nice girl.
Hi, Dad. Hi.
Look at this. You like it? Beautiful, isn't it?
Wow. This is lovely. A gift from Judith, I guess.
Beautiful, isn't it?
It is. Must have cost a fortune.
I know, I appreciate it. Is this was your classmate at the Hilton?
Oh, yeah. Judith. A bright, outstanding student. But you know, something very unfortunate happened to her family.
What?
She lost her dad in a plane crash and things took a downturn, and then I guess that was why she dropped out of school. But Judith, I really admired her back then in school. She was my rival, honestly. I admired her academic acumen and every single idea she gives to the school.
Wow.
It is really top notch.
My mother never told me about that though.
Maybe they don't want to talk about it. I mean, it's not everyone that really fancy revisiting incidents like this to avoid scratching old ones.
Yeah, I know. And I mean, that's true, but still it would have been nice to know everything about her.
This is lovely.
It's beautiful, isn't it? I know.
I like.
It's very thoughtful of her. I'm really sorry for the horrible experience you endured, and I'm sorry for bringing it up.
It's okay, sir. I'm fine.
This is Veronica. Don't hesitate to let me know if you need anything. Anything at all.
I appreciate your kindness as always towards me.
I understand.
You're just a godsend. I can't thank you enough.
It's alright.
Thank you.
No, it's okay. You can go back to what you were doing in the kitchen.
Alright, sir. Excuse me. Thank you, sir. How do I do this? How do I do this? This landlord has been disturbing me, and I don't know what to do about it. I don't have the money. How can I even ask my boss for help after all he has been doing for me? To seem so ungrateful. God, please, how do I go about this? This man is disturbing me. Where do I get the house rent? And it's long overdue. What do I do? Lord Jesus, help me. God, please help me. And so this man will just come to the house again. I'm tired of dodging him. I don't know what to do anymore.
Hey, Miss Veronica.
Good afternoon, Miss Jidalo. Do you want something?
Nope. Well, I'm sorry I eavesdropped.
Oh.
Yes. I heard everything you said. But you know, you don't need to bottle up some things. We all need someone to talk to. We all need a shoulder to lean on. Okay? We are here for each other. So, I'm gonna talk to my dad, have a brief meeting with him, and I'm sure something positive will come out of it.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Chida. Thank you so much.
It's okay. It's okay. All right.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. It was your mom. I'm sorry. It was your mom.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Oh, Miss Veronica.
Are you okay? You look perplexed. My daughter said you wanted to see me, sir.
Yes, I wanted to see you. I have 2 friends coming in tonight, and I'd like you to make banga soup. 3 portions, actually.
All right, sir. I'll start cooking immediately.
Wait, Miss Veronica.
Sir. Sir?
Your daughter can stay with you.
Huh? Thank you, sir.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
It's all right.
Thank you. I'm so grateful, sir. Yes. Yes.
Thanks for coming.
And thanks for having me. I had fun. I have to be married now.
Right, I know. Okay. Drive safe, please.
I will. I'll see you tomorrow, right? All right. Okay.
All right. Bye. Yeah.
One more shot.
Yeah.
One more shot.
No. Good night.
You're giving up already.
Good night. No, I'm not. I could.
You gave up.
No, listen. I could go more
Round,
and more.
round and round. Yeah.
But I'm very tired, and of course, I have to work in the
You're
morning.
paying there.
No.
Drop the dollars. We said it. We had an agreement.
Good night, sir. Okay. Good night, everybody.
I know you, Daddy.
Oh, sorry. Take it easy, okay? No, that's not the way to your room. That's upstairs. That's the way. No.
Good night and happy birthday. Bye.
Thank you. Are you sure you're good? Hey! Easy. I know we had a lot to drink.
Jesus! Jesus! Oh my God! My goodness, what am I doing here?
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. I'm so sorry. I don't know how I got into your bedroom. I'm so sorry.
Dad!
Chi?
Wake up, you're late.
Hold on.
Where are you coming from?
Good morning, Mom.
Look, I did not raise up a wayward child. Do you hear me? And don't you dare tell me that you went home with one of those men.
How can you think such of me? I was asleep.
Oh yes, asleep where? Oh, in Chidalu's room, right? Look, if you lie to me again, I will use this and I hit your head.
Oh, please calm down. I didn't do anything wrong. I was not doing anything.
Shut up! Look it.
Hi.
Come join us.
No, I'm okay. Just enjoy. Good.
Are you sure?
I'm good.
Okay, but where were you this morning? I searched all over the place for you.
I went to...
I sent you on my errand. I recalled. I'm sorry I must have disturbed you. It's fine. It's okay. You sure you don't want to eat?
No. Enjoy. I'll just go get the other stuff.
Leave this kitchen now.
Mom,
Where did you go to last night? Speak now, if not, I will pull off your brain right now. Just say where you went to.
Mom, please, just calm down, I beg you.
Are you mad?
Please.
I said, where did you go to last night?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean to raise my voice.
Wait. Can you wait?
Babe, what? What is it? Why do you always do this? Am I not your boyfriend? What is it?
I just want us to talk.
Talk about what?
My dad.
Your dad? What about your dad? What happened to him?
I just feel like my dad has mourned my mom enough. You know.
So, you want a stepmother now, huh?
In as much as I want this, I really don't want anything that will come between my dad and I. But I just feel he deserves to be happy. Happy again.
Look, your dad sees your late mother in you, alright? So let him be. I'm very sure he will find the right woman when the time comes. But for now, leave him be.
Honestly, I am really scared. I don't even know if I am really ready for this imaginary woman that was surfaced out of nowhere.
Then stop thinking about it. Alright? Leave him. He will make the right decision when the time comes, alright? Focus on me. I am right here with you. Leave your dad alone, alright? Focus on me.
Wait, can we just go to the
Yeah.
room? Oh. Just, yeah. Let's go to the room.
Yeah. Your dad is not home yet. Oh, okay, he's on his way. Come on, babe. You need to give this man some breathing space. I told you all is not well with him. You just worry too much. Hey, relax, relax. Take a chill pill. Daddy's girl. Relax, he'll be fine. Okay, come online, let's chat. Alright. Daddy's girl. Always worried about her father.
Welcome, sir.
Judith,
Good night.
why are you still awake?
I was waiting for you. No, sorry. I came to check if the entire place is tidy. Came to check if it was tidy.
You're waiting for me, right?
Yes. I was waiting for you to come back home. I could not sleep. I was worried.
Why are you acting like my late wife, Judith?
Sir?
I'm falling for you, Judith. I think I love you. Do you love me too?
Good night.
Good night.
God. Judith, what have you done to me? I can't believe this girl could do this. My own boss. This girl just wants to ruin me. She just wants to ruin me. How can she be doing this? The little respect I have is totally gone. How would Chidalu even take this? She couldn't even respect me anymore. Oh God, how can Judith fall in love with my boss? Oh, this girl was... what does she expect Chidalu to do? Oh, she thinks this is funny? Oh, everything now belongs... What? Doesn't she think that Chidalu would think she just came here to destroy her? Oh God, this girl has to leave. No, she has to leave. She has to leave.
Wait. What did you just say?
I'm in love with Judith and I want to marry her.
Hold on. Which Judith are you talking about? Is it the same Judith? The Judith, the one I know?
Friend, this is Veronica's daughter.
No, this is not true. This...
Yes. We spent some time together.
No. Okay. You got me. You got me. Absolutely. Oh my God, I actually fell for this. I fell for it, you got me.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's true. We spent some time together the other night and I'm convinced that your mother would like it.
No, you do not know what my mother wants. You don't! You don't! Don't tell me that! Daddy, you cannot possibly be with Judith. You mean she slept in your room? And then you both, no. Daddy, this can't be true. Not Judith. No, it's her, please. Okay, listen. We're gonna go out there. We're gonna find you a wife. Someone befitting. Someone who is worthy to be my stepmother. Not Judith. Not Judith. Please, you can't be with Judith. No.
Listen, trust me.
I can't trust you in this. You can't be with Judith. Judith, no!
Chimdalu, where are you going? Chimdalu!
Judith. What is this crazy, stupid thing my father just told me? I think it's better if I hear from you.
Please.
Did you sleep with my father on his birthday? Did you sleep with him? Did you sleep with a widower?
Miss, please.
Judith, I demand an answer from you before I slap the living day out of you. Did you sleep with my father?
Who are you talking to like that? Has something come over you? What is wrong with you? Huh? Let me talk. And I'll say it in front of everybody since we're here. Mrs. Veronica, I'm in love with your daughter. And I want to marry her. And I'm sure she is as well. Judith, what do you have to say?
Damn you! You bitches! Damn you!
No, please.
I hate you! How could you? How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me? I hate you!
Darling.
Hey! What have you done?
Enough! Okay?
Daddy, please. Daddy, please.
Enough.
Daddy, I love you.
I love you too, Nalon.
Yes, that's the fact. You're my father, and you should want the best for me. Certainly not Judith.
Chimdalo, it is okay. This is my house. What I say is final. I love Judith, and that's it.
No. What you say is final, but not Judith. Please, you can't possibly love Judith. Daddy, please.
Daddy,
you don't know her.
I know her. It's okay.
You do not know her as much as I do. Daddy, that girl is a dog. She's a big...
No. Don't say
Listen.
No.
Daddy, she took my boyfriend back then in school.
It wasn't in the past.
It wasn't in the past. Listen, please. And now she wants to take you away from me.
Nobody's taking me away from you.
Obviously trying to take you away from me, and that will not happen. Daddy, please. Daddy, she's a whore.
Listen.
She's a witch.
It's okay.
I am telling you.
Stop.
I know her.
Stop.
She's gonna ruin everything.
Chimdalu, stop.
Daddy, please.
Stop.
This could happen. Please.
Enough.
Daddy, no, I can't let you be with her. Daddy, please. You can't be with her. You can't be with her. Not Judith. Not her.
I'm her father. Okay? I have the final say in my own house. I love your daughter. And you're going to elevate yourself from cook to my in-law. So please don't bother about what happened. Nobody should go away because of what happened. I'm Chimdalu's father. You all know that.
Sir, please. I crave for your indulgence to kindly hear me out. Look, you're a good and prosperous man who loves his daughter so much.
Yes, I love my daughter. Nothing's going to change that. All right? Everything I own belongs to her. Nobody's going to come between us. Please, Judith, please take your mother's bag and your bag inside. Just somebody should get me water to drink. We're all going to live here happily and peacefully. Please. Somebody should get me something, juice or water. Huh? Please.
All right, sir.
Thank you. Just take it inside.
this.
Stop
this. You want to kill yourself?
Let me kill
Stop it.
myself. Allow me to drink.
Babe, stop.
Stop.
Stop it.
Please.
What are you doing?
Allow me
You have to
drink.
stop drinking.
My father taught me how to drink. This is how I solve
slow
my
down.
problem.
Slow
Please.
down. What is wrong with you?
This is
Slow
what
down.
I'm living for. Just allow me to drink.
Slow
please.
down, babe. Stop. What is wrong with you? You have to take it slow now. What is your problem? Babe, take it slow.
Kenny, my father cannot possibly be with that girl. Please.
I thought you were happy he found a woman.
Yes.
Then what is all this?
It's certainly not Judith. My father cannot be with that whore. Judith is a slut. He can't be with her. He can't be with her now. He can't.
You really have to calm down. Slow down.
Kenny, please. Please. You need to talk to my father for me. Please. Talk to him. Persuade him. Tell him. Give him reasons. I'm going to pay you in naira, in dollars, whatever you want. I'm going to pay you. Please, you need to talk to my father.
Stop
Please.
this.
Judith
Stop.
is toxic.
Stop it.
Judith cannot possibly be my stepmother. Please. Just talk to him.
Babe,
Please.
we're going to have a good conversation if you calm down.
Okay.
You're doing a lot of damage to yourself. Calm down.
I'm calm.
Alright.
I'm calm. But honestly, I didn't see this coming. I did not see this coming.
I know.
No Judith.
I know.
No Judith.
I know.
Please,
I know.
please, baby, please. You said you love me, right? I need you to talk to my father. Please give him reasons. Tell him that Judith is a witch. Yes, she's a witch. She wants to ruin everything. Everything we've worked hard for. She wants to take it. She's an opportunist. I didn't see this coming. Judith cannot be my stepmom.
Babe, it's okay.
She can't be my stepmom.
It's okay. Alright.
No, Judith. No, Judith. No, Judith. Baby, please.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay. It's alright.
Who be this one again? Calm down now. You know what? Calm down. I talk and a small madam. And I welcome her. I don't understand. Wetin dey happen? As since I don't just understand wetin dey happen for this company. Just dey para give everybody. I follow for your problem for this house. I don't understand. Wetin come be this one? Abeg, I no follow for your problem. Oh, no kill me, abeg.
Dad. She look at me. She. It's okay.
I don't think this is tearing her apart.
She'll be fine. She'll be okay.
Maybe we should just...
No, it's fine. I understand how she feels, I do. Don't worry. Everything will be okay. Alright? It's okay. She'll be fine.
Darling! Darling!
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You don't love me anymore. You don't. You don't care about my feelings. Where is my father? Where is that man that once loved me? Where is my dad? Where is he? You're just gradually becoming a pain to my health, to my sanity. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to Mom? Why?
Chinelo, I love you.
You don't.
You know.
You don't. You don't. You don't. Love doesn't hurt this much. You don't. Daddy, you need to send them away. Please. Let them go. You don't love her. Daddy, please, you're under the influence of something that I don't know, but I am very sure that you don't love her. Daddy, please.
You'll be alright.
I won't be alright.
Right.
I won't be alright, Dad. Daddy.
Out of my father's house. I don't want to see your faces hanging around this compound. Get out of my father's house. Please leave. Please leave. You hide under the cover of wanting to be a help, and whereas you go on sleeping with my father, what kind of a parent are you? You can't even train your daughter well. You lack training. You lack training. Get out. Leave already. Get out. Get out. I don't want to see you in my father's house. Your services are no longer needed. Just get out. Get out already. Just get out. Just go. Go already. Go.
What are you doing?
Daddy, tell them to leave. Tell them to leave our house. Tell them that their services are no longer needed in this house. Tell them already. Daddy, tell them to leave. What kind of a father are you? You're screwing her. What kind of a father are you? You are all insane. How could you? How could you even do such a thing? You are all insane. How could you all do?
Sit down.
Oh. Oh.
Just look at
the love of a father.
And you call this love?
Measured by words, can't be measured by hands. The love of father and daughter can't be explained, can't be explained. Oh, he will hold your hands as a toddler, wanna hold your hand on your wedding day.
You come back here. You will
Leave
not
me
walk away.
alone.
No, you come back here.
What?
You apologize to her. Apologize to Mrs. Veronica. Now.
Sir, please.
What?
Please, sir. Look, I understand her plight. I mean, Chidalu is like a daughter to me. I don't need any apology, seriously. Chidalu, see, I love you. And I will always...
Please, just keep your love to yourself. And then what has gotten into you? She brought her daughter here and you have the guts to sleep with her. Where is the morals? Where is it? I am not apologizing to anybody. I won't apologize to you.
Sundalo, come back here. You don't walk out. No, you don't. You don't walk out on me.
Please, sir.
That's what fathers do.
Sundalo.
That's what fathers do. He wants to be happy like he wants you to be happy. Because you were special to him, oh yeah. He will hold your hands as you wanna hold your hand on the wedding day. That is Father's love. That is Father's love. He will be with you in your good times. Wanna be with you in your bad times. That is Father's love.
Should I open the door?
No matter what you do,
Should I open this door? Open the door.
Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you forever. No matter where you go, remember that Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you, loves you. He loves you, 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 he loves you. Yeah. Family loves you, he loves you. You love him, he loves you.
So, young man, tell me what you told me before. Say it in front of everybody.
Okay, son. She's my girlfriend. Judith. Yeah, she's my girlfriend. Cass.
Are you okay? Do I know you from somewhere?
Wait, Judith. Like, seriously, you deny me? Cass! Like, Judith, you? Oh, hold on. Okay, I understand. Because you've seen a rich, fine man, isn't it? That's why you're denying me. Alright, but that's not important anymore. Where's my baby? I mean, my child.
Enough of all that nonsense. Are you out of your mind?
Mom, I know she's your daughter. And you guys are playing games, right? But it's fine. Do you want to tell me that you don't know she's carrying my child? Jesus. Do you want to tell me that you don't know she was carrying my child? Oh, hold on. You think I don't know? You think I don't know that your womb has been chopped off? Yes, they told me. You aborted my child. You aborted my own child, right? But I want you. I told you, sir. Listen, I told her. But she refused to listen to me. Cass, your boyfriend. Okay? But it's fine. It's not a problem.
Mommy, this is a prank, right? Like, this is a joke. Because, I mean, where are the cameras? This is a prank, right?
Prank. I'm playing pranks with you. Me, Cass. All the times we keep rolling. We keep having our times together. Outside, inside, everywhere. Yes! And you keep telling me...
Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Look at this pathetic liar. Wait. Who paid you? Who paid you to come here and lay such allegations on me? Mom, I don't know this guy. I don't know this guy from Adam.
Of course you don't know him from Adam's. You wanted this garden by all means so badly. Look at you. At your very little age, you have done so much despicable things with your life. But you see, God in his infinite mercy has vindicated all that I have been saying, Daddy. Believe me when I say that this lady is a whore.
Hey, shut up! Enough of all this young lady. I've had enough from you. I will not stand here and allow you insult my daughter anymore. What's wrong with you? Have some respect. Judith, please go inside there and get our things. We are leaving this house.
ASP.
Yes, let's go. Let's go.
I'm not.
Are you mad?
ASP. Yeah, I'm very well, thank you. Please, I need 3 of you, men. 2 or 3 of you, very strong men, please. Yes, we have somebody here who has to tell the truth. Yes, thank you. I'm at the house. Okay, no problem.
Tell the truth.
Hey, come back here. Hey, Alex! Alex!
So you had to stoop that low. You had to literally come down to the floor and pay someone to lay accusations on me. For what? For this? For your father?
I hate you. I hate you so much, Judith. Yes. The hatred drips on me like a sweat. And you know what I pray? I pray the heaven falls on you and crushes you to death. Judith.
Enough of this. Judith, get inside the house and get our things. I've had enough of all this.
I am not going anywhere. Huh? As a matter of fact, and because of this, I will stay in this house and prove to her that I love her father. I will marry that man and become her stepmother. Hit me. I don't care anymore, Mom. Hit me.
Babe. What's going on? What are you doing here?
Are you just going to stand here and watch? Please, can you be kind enough to take my bags and show me my room?
You've not answered me. What are you doing here? What's going on?
I'm just tired of that house. But my head wants to burst. I can't stand it. I can't.
Your father. Your father, you know your father won't like this at all. He won't.
Like I care. My father has made his own decision, which doesn't sit well with me. This is mine. I snuck out of the house, and please, my father mustn't know that I'm here. It's not like I care. I really don't care. Please, take me to my room. I'm tired.
Do you think this is the right thing to do? Do you think this is the right thing to do at this point? Why would you sneak out of the house? Why? Look, you should have faced your problem and tried to solve them. Instead of sneaking out, that is what adults like us do.
I am not an adult like you. Please, take me to my room. Don't you understand? If you really do not want me here, it's fine, okay? I can get a resort or somewhere to just cool off for my sanity. Okay? And thank you. Thank you so much for your brief hospitality.
Stop. 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 You know that's not what I mean. Come on. It's okay.
You don't understand anything. This whole thing is sickening. It is toxic. Like you don't understand how everything fickles and sink deep down my heart with a perpetual pain. It hurts. I can't stand being in that house. I might die. I don't want to die young. So please, show me my room.
It's okay.
Damn.
This way. Hello, sir. Yes, you just arrived. With her luggage, yes. Yes, sir, she's in my house. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. All right, sir.
wrong with you? What is wrong with you, Kenny? Huh? I am in such dating state of mind and all you could think of is how to get me wet. What is your problem? What kind of a boyfriend are you?
Babe, I am sorry. Alright. I only wanted to relax your nerves.
Relax my nerves? Really?
Yes.
By having sex with me? I see. You just want to take advantage of this very situation, my vulnerability, for your own satisfaction. Why? Why? You just want to have sex with me. You just want to shag me. Why?
Babe, calm down. I said I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm sorry. Alright?
But just leave me alone. Please.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Please. Allow me. By tomorrow morning, I will kindly leave your house.
Babe, there'll be no need for that. There'll be no need for that, alright?
Just leave me alone!
Babe? Babe, what is it? Babe? What is it? What is it? What is going on? Chidalu! Chidalu! Dalu! Chidalu! Babe, stop. Chidalu, stop. Babe. Hello.
Sir, I'm sorry for everything. I pray she comes home and finds peace with you. But we can no longer stay in this house. It's ripping me apart.
Hello? Hey. What happened to my daughter? Where? How? Okay, no, I'm coming right away.
What is this, sir?
I don't know what this boy is saying.
It is shame. Please be careful. What is going on? Now that we want to leave, I pray she's okay.
It's an urgent meeting, Mr. Okoye, and I'm awfully sorry that it's hitting you like this.
I understand, Doctor. What do I do? Honestly, I do.
It's severely affecting her respiratory system, which is why the fluid finds its way out through the nose, ears, and mouth.
So, doctor, what you're saying is she needs a kidney?
Sadly, yes. Her right kidney is overweighted and the left one is already damaged. If she must stay alive, there must be a kidney transplant, and we do not have much time.
Doctor, nurse, please. Chin down, please. Stay with me. Stay with me. Chin down, please stay with me, please.
Oh. The love of a father can't be measured by words, can't be measured by hands. The love of father and daughter can't be explained, can't be explained. Oh, he will hold your hands as a toddler, wanna hold your hand on your wedding day. That is father's love. Oh, he will be with you in your good times, wanna be with you in your bad times. That is father's love.
Did he just say kidney transplant? So she needs a donor. A donor.
He will give his life for you and not think about it.
Kidney donor? or more. But her father has money now. At least let him figure out where to get kidney for the daughter so she could survive.
You're not getting it, are you? Look, the man has paid for 3 different kidneys and none fitting. Not even one.
So what are we talking about? If he has done all that and it didn't work, then why don't he donate his kidney for his daughter? That's father love to his child. At least that is little sacrifice he can sacrifice for his own.
The poor man is living with just 1 kidney.
What?
Yes. He donated his right kidney to his late wife. And she didn't make it. Amidst all of this, there is fear, there is uncertainty for him. God, I feel for him. Today I saw a grown man cry like a baby. I saw a grown man crying like someone he previously loved is living. Look, this is sad. This is really, really sad. I tell you. It's sad.
So, guy, may you donate your own kidney for the girl now. At least now, what would you do for love?
Which can talk with this now? No, which can talk with this now? What if I die? Yeah? What if I die in the process? Guy, I'm out for you.
Ken, so you want to say you don't love that girl reach that point? I just say you love that girl, die. Come on, Ken, now wow.
Look, even my mama said, I no give. I did tell you, so you don't tell me that nonsense, I beg.
This life, Sha. So, you want to tell me, say that fine girl, that beautiful girl that I like, has no kidney, like her kidney is bad now. Mom, man. It's like no pure.
See, no stress me. I can only pray for her quick recovery and for a good donor to emerge. But if not to give her my own, never. In the future.
Wait.
What if the remaining one can't go get issue later?
So
guy, if you want to give her your own, go hospital, go give her. Don't stress me, I beg.
Where did they go now?
I go inside.
But I just say you love that girl reach the point where if you give her one of your own.
No, I know it's true.
Oh my man. Rich people, rich problem. Rich people with rich problem. That fine girl.
Did I hear you well? Can you just repeat what you just said now?
Mom, you heard me. I said I want to save Chidalu's life. I've gone to the doctors. We've run some tests. I am the right match.
Are you mad? No. Are you insane? You lied to me. You told me you were going to a friend's house. Only for you to end up in the hospital. Now listen to me. I will poison you. And I will poison myself. Nobody will go to... Because I will not go to jail. That kidney must be intact in that body of yours.
Mom, have you seen Chidalu? Have you taken a good look at her? What about her father? He has locked himself in the room, refusing to eat, drinking himself to death. Mom, tell me, if I was in her position, if I was the one laying in the hospital losing my life, wouldn't you want someone to save me? Wouldn't you want someone to come through for me?
You cannot.
Would you rather watch me die helplessly? Mommy, I can help, please.
You cannot blackmail my emotions with your silly speech. I will not have my daughter endanger her life for a girl who will blink in an existence and she's gone.
I don't care what Chidalu feels for me. I don't care how much she hates me. I will save her because I can and I want to. Please
don't touch me, how dare you. If you try it right now, I will disown you this minute. If you disrespect me again, I will disown you. I did not bring you into this world. I did not carry you 9 months only for you to become a donor.
Yeah. I'm not here to take him away from you. I just want to be a part of this family. It's okay to be scared, but listen, I assure you that I'm here for you. Yeah, I am tired of this fight. No matter what, none of us can win. Oh, I'm only a girl in love. Please let
Daddy.
me into your
Daddy.
heart. Oh, I'm in
Save me.
Save me, Daddy.
The love of a father
Daddy, you
can't
need
be
to save me.
measured by words, can't be measured
Save me.
by hands. The
I
love
don't
of
want to die.
father and daughter can't
Save
be
me, Daddy.
explained, can't be explained.
Save me.
He will hold your hands as a toddler, wanna hold your hand on your wedding day. That is father's love. Oh, he will be with you in your good times, wanna be with you in your bad times. That is father's love. No matter what you do, remember that Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you forever. No matter where you go, remember that Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you, loves you. Oh, he will give his life for you and not think about it. That's what fathers do. That's what fathers do. He wants to be happy like he wants you to be happy. Because you were special to him, oh yeah. He will hold your hands as a toddler, wanna hold your hand on your wedding day. That is father's love. That is father's love. He will be with you in your good times, wanna be with you in your bad times. That is father's love. No matter what you do, remember that Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you forever. No matter where you go, remember that Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you, loves you. He loves you, 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 he loves you. Yeah. Family loves you, he loves you. You love him too, he loves you. We are family, family forever, family forever.
Oh, Mr. Ken.
Yes, doctor.
Are you here to donate?
No. No. She's my girlfriend. I only came to know how she's doing.
I see. Her condition was static and we have very limited time. I'm afraid she may give up anytime soon if we don't do anything.
Okay, doctor. Let me call her father. All right, excuse me.
Mr. Okoye, you have no donor? We don't have any more time.
I know. And that's why I'm willing to give her mine. I've lived my life to the fullest. She had lose a child, so please let her know what her father did for her. This is the only thing I can do, father to daughter. I can give her mine.
What are you talking about? You can't do that. You have just one kidney.
I know.
What?
And I want to give it to my daughter.
That's not possible.
Listen, doctor, please. I don't want Chidali to die.
It will be unprofessional.
Please,
I
just
can't.
fight with all your strength and let her live. I want my daughter to...
Hi. Chidali will not die. Look at me. She will not die. And you will not give out your last kidney. Doctor, I am here to be her donor.
Your mom said she would disown me if you do this. Let me build on her father, okay?
We are here to save Chidali. Doctor, my daughter is here. You said there's no time, so what are we waiting for?
Nothing actually. Let's get started.
Yeah. I'm not here to take him away from you.
Dr. Claire, can you come into my office immediately?
It's okay to be scared, but listen, I assure you that I'm here for
Dr. Claire, please get the theater ready for surgery right now.
Okay. I am tired of this fight. No matter what, none of us can win. Oh, I'm only a girl in love. Please let me in to your heart. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. I did not choose where my heart will go. I'm in love. I'm in love. Please do not break this bond we share. Oh, you are my friend first. That will not change. I didn't plan this way. I still love you like I love him. I'm begging, give me a chance. Oh, I am tired of this fight. 'Cause no matter what, none of us will win. Yeah. I'm only a girl in love. Please let me into your heart.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You risked your life because of me. You almost died for my sake. You were in the hospital for weeks just because of me. And I know deep down that I am not worthy of such love.
No.
I am not.
Don't. Chidalu, don't say that. You are worthy. You've always been worthy. I love you.
I love you too.
You are so full of life and I'm just so happy I was able to be of help when you needed me. I love you.
I love you so much. I want you to know that
You are part of me now. Always. Always. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. And thanks to my mom, she encouraged me at the end. I'm just so happy that you are here with us, healthy and strong.
Thank you. I love you too. Honestly, I do. Dad, I think I really do want her to be my stepmom. Your love is unconditional.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's okay.
I'm not here to take him away from you. I just want to be a part of this family. It's okay to be scared, but listen, I assure you that I'm here for you. Yeah, I am tired of this fight. No matter what, none of us can win. Oh, I'm only a girl in love. Please let me in to your heart. Oh, I'm in love.
I love both of you. I'm just so happy that she's alive and healthy.
I'm in love.
Hey, stepmom.
Oh, come on. It's too early. You should start getting used to that.
Yes, right?
You are my friend first. That will not
Group
change.
up.
I didn't plan this way. I still love you like I love him. I'm begging, give me a chance. Oh,
Daddy, where are you guys?
of this fight.
I've been waiting here for years now.
None of us will win. Yeah,
That was the same thing you told me earlier.
I'm only a girl in love. Please let me into your
hurry up.
heart. I'm in
Okay, see you in a bit.
I'm in love.
Bye.
I'm in love. I did not choose where my heart would go. Never.
Are you stalking me?
I am sorry. All right. I'm very sorry. I was just being selfish. I was just being human. Stella, please, I beg you, forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Please.
Well, you see, it's not your fault. Okay, I understand. People see friendship in different shades. But it is imperative to know who is truly a friend. But you have proven the kind of friend you are. And it is not appreciated. However, I do not wish to continue with this friendship.
I am ready now, all right? I'm ready to give you any part of my body, my hand, my head, my eye, anywhere. Please, just give me another chance.
My goodness, do I look like a ritualist?
Please just give me another chance. I promise to love you right. I
do not wish to continue with this relationship or whatever you call it.
Please forgive me, please. Please.
I can't do this, please.
Yeah. I'm not here to take him away from you. I just want to be a part of this family. It's okay to be scared, but listen, I assure you that I'm here for you. Yeah, I am tired of this fight. No matter what, none of us can win. Oh, I'm only a girl in love. Please let me in to your heart. Oh, I'm in love, I'm in love. I did not choose where my heart will go. I'm in love, I'm in love. Please do not break this bond we share. Oh, you were my friend first, that will not change. I didn't plan this way. I still love you like I love him. I'm begging, give me a chance. Oh, I am tired of this fight. 'Cause no matter what, none of us will win. Yeah, I'm only a girl in love. Please let me into your heart. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. If not you,